Alright, let's get started on this brake job for a 2014 Ford Escape. This is going to be the rear brakes. So let's go ahead and first take out the spring here. Alright, next let's take off the caps to expose the guide pins. So the cap here, one on top. Alright, and second one on the bottom here. Okay. Alright, for these Fords, the guide pins are a 7mm hex. So let's go ahead and crack those loose. First one and bottom one. Now we can zip them out. Alright, they might be full of grease, so just grab a paper towel to give you some grip. Okay, here's one. Okay, here's the second one. Now we could remove the caliper. Okay, there goes my light. Alright, now we're going to compress the caliper. So these are the ones that you have to twist and push at the same time. You could use a special tool for this, but I'm just going to use some long nose pliers and grab the two openings here and push and twist. Alright, so you push and twist until it only twists and it doesn't want to go in anymore. So that's how you know it's completely retracted. Alright, so let's put the caliper aside and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, now let's take off the two bracket bolts. These are 13. So let's crack them loose. Alright, caliper bracket is free. Rotor should come off now. If it doesn't, smack it with a hammer on top and on the bottom. This one's loose already. So. Alright, now let's put on the new rotor. Always compare it with the old rotor to make sure it's the same size. So. Okay, I'm just going to put a lug nut to hold it in place. never mind, the studs are too long. It's hitting the bottom of the lug nut. So we'll just have to live with that for now. Alright, next step is we're going to clean the caliper bracket. So we're going to use a wire brush to get out most of the rust chunks, and then we'll go ahead with the file. So let's do that first. Alright, after you're done cleaning, it should look like this. Just keep scrubbing until you've exposed most of the metal. So that means most of the rust is gone. Same thing on this side. It works better if you have an electric or a air wire brush. Okay. Now we're just gonna put some anti-seize on this surface here. Okay, we're just gonna dab it up here. Same thing on this side. Okay, let's put back the bracket. Alright, now we're going to put the new pads. We're just going to dab up the ears with some anti-seize as well. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, the one with the spring sticking out is going to go on the inside here, like so. And I always like to put a bit of anti-seize on the back of the pads. Okay, now we're ready to put back the caliper. Alright, now we're going to put back our guide pins. So we're going to add a bit of grease to the guide pins, and we're ready to put them back on. Okay, they're snug. And then last step, we're just gonna put back the caps. Alright, and last step, we're just gonna add the new anti-rattle spring. Alright. Alright, that's it. We're all done. Make sure after you finish both sides, you pump the brake pedal a few times before you go for a drive. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like these. Alright, take care guys. Peace.